We were always here with you. We were established the same year as independence, helping to build communities, society, and our country. We value our customers. We know the importance of home. Home is everything. It's a place of comfort, a place of family, a place to belong. We want to continue providing the best home installation services, hurricane protection, and quality products for your home and building projects. Because at CBS Bahamas, our motto always stands strong. We promise to help you build beautiful. Visit our website and fill out the customer interest form today.